here we got the lock. Okay. Get this one off. It's a really nice bike. Okay, this one. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna take this one also off. To get the front body sheet off, over there is a bolt with a socket of 8. Okay. Hop. And then we take the body sheet off. Easy as hell. This one we take out. Right here is the battery. Oh, looks good. Guys, this battery has a testing device. And when you press it, wait a minute, something like this. I think you see it. 3 blue LEDs. Wait, maybe like this you can see it. See? 1, 2, 3, and that means the battery is full. So that's good. We unscrew this bolt. I think it's 12, 13. Yes, a blanket over here, so we can't scratch or damage the tank. Take a piece of wood, so we have a look under the tank. Let's see, guys. We have this one. And this one, these two. Okay, I'm gonna use my yellow tire wraps. Okay, push it in and check the connections. I'm gonna give it a spray anyway. This one we're gonna do the same. If it wants, yes, there he goes. This is perfect. This is a watertight one. So then, guys, let's see. Over there is a quick coupling. Guys, this is the fuel line. This one. And it's with a quick coupling, so you have to press it in. Yes, there he is. Okay, that's one. Now, let's see. I think we can take the tank off. Let's see. Lift it up. Get out of the way. Easy as hell. To take the air filter out. Very easy. Remove those two. And that's Allen socket 5. Okay. This one out. That one out. Good. Aha. See him. It's over there. We have my magnet. Yes. We take. No. Oh. First we're gonna give it a clean, guys. Whoa. We take up this screw out. Yeah, no. Then this one out. And this one out. Whoa, really looks filthy. So. Now I have to wait for the parts. So, see you soon. Guys, I got a new air filter. High flow Filtro. Why? Because I never had a problem with it. Fittings are good, price is good, and it's just a good air filter and oil filter. Here we've got it. Out of this plastic cover. I already cleaned it. Goes in like this. This has a rounded edge and a flat surface. So it goes in like this. Yes. Guys, as we can see, over there and there and there, it had leaks. So now I'm gonna be sure that we don't have any air leaks. This is, see? First we're gonna clean it. So, but I didn't mind because it was the upper side. But you never know if it could go in there. Then I'm gonna give this a tiny smear of grease so it settles perfectly. Especially with rubber, I always like to make it slippery so it settles much easier. Then slide it underneath that loom. Kawasaki got something with looms in the way. Okay, but then again, easy. Then guys, gave them a bit of grease. Okay, one. Okay, the tight, but not too tight. Tightened. First we're gonna do this bracket. Now guys, I'm gonna install this bracket. Bit of grease on my bolts. Yeah, you know me, huh? Now, come up. Yep, there Allen socket 5. Okay. This one not too tight, huh? Okay. Check, check.